Click on File and New. Select Template and click on Create. Click on File and Place Embedded. Select Image and click on Place. Select Background Layer. Click on Adjustment Layer and Solid Color. Rename the image layer. Select Quick Selection Tool and click on Select Subject. Now click on Layer Mask. Click on Adjustment Layer and Selective Color. Select Colors Neutrals and adjust colors. Click on Mask. Now click on Image Panel, Adjustments and Invert. Right-click and create Clipping Mask. Decrease opacity around 50%. Make sure foreground color is black. Opacity 100% and follow the process.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Now select Girl Layer Mask. Erase the white part on the edge of the cloth. Click on Adjustment Layer and Curves. Adjust the highlights and shadows. Right-click and create Clipping Mask. Invert the mask. Now use the brush. Click on Adjustment Layer and Hue Saturation. Increase the saturation. Right-click and create Clipping Mask. Select Image and Adjustments, now press Ctrl+G to create group. Rename the group. Now select Rectangle tool and follow the process. Set stroke around 2 pixels. Create rectangle. Make curve the corner radius. I'm using the symmetrical balance in this design. Press Ctrl+J to create duplicate. Fill the gradient color in the shape. Now follow the same process.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Decrease opacity around 65%. Now select girl group layer and press Ctrl+J. Right-click and click on Convert to Smart Object. Now make it bigger. Opacity around 30%. Now click on Filter, Blur and Gaussian Blur. Blur radius around 6 pixels. Create new layer. Select Eyedropper tool and pick color. Now select Brush tool and follow the process. Click one side of the corner, hold down Shift and click on another side. Opacity around 80%. Create new layer. Change foreground color.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Select Brush tool and follow the process. Again, create new layer and follow the same process. Opacity around 30%. This layer opacity around 50%. I'm placing it on top of the girl's image. This layer opacity around 50%. Now select Text tool and type here name or handles. Now I'm placing the services here. Select Line tool and follow the process. Hold down Alt and drag it down to create duplicate. Hold down Shift and select both line. Select Type tool and right call to action line. Change the text color to create better contrast. Click on top layer. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus E. Right-click and click on Convert to Smart Object. Now click on Filter and Camera Raw Filter. Click on Basic and play with filters. As you can see the filter result.
It's not a game, it's a red.
I forgot to add this title, so I'll add it now. This is the final result. I hope you like this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tutorial.